Oreo first. I picked Oreo second.
Connor, what do you think of the snow?
Snow.
What do you think of the snow?
I think it is good.
It's good. Look at it, there's a lot of it.
Whoa, I like to play it.
Look at Paul.
I like to play with.
Look at Paul. Paul's.
I like to play in it with my boots on.
You do. Come on, Paul. What's up, buddy? You like the snow? A blizzard. Wow, look at that snow.
And then I was.
We had over a foot of snow today.
Yeah, but
Saturday,
can I tell you something? Hey, Mom. Dad,
February.
Daddy.
What?
Daddy, I picked an Oreo second, and then I picked Bowser third.
Hey, Connor,
Yes.
do you think this is good sled riding weather? You think?
And after winter is summer.
Yeah. We can't wait for summer, right, pal?
We have to wait for summer.
I don't like winter.
Do you like summer?
I love summer better. You know why? Because we go sled riding.
Do you like when it's summer it rains?
Uh-huh.